Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Trinavek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So fam, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I use just one ingredient in 3 ways. Okay, I'll be doing an oil, butter and a deep condition. So if you are suffering from dry edges, dry hair, if your hair is really dry or frizzed out, this video is for you. This oil is good for hot oil treatment, is good to see in moisture. The butter is amazing, it's so soft and fluffy, and the deep in condition, oh my days, this is really good for your hair. It's gonna revive your hair. It's amazing goody. So my video is all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood and vlogs. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment, and don't forget on your notification bell guys. So let's get started. So far I'm going to show you all how to use moringa in 3 ways, which is oil, butter and a deep condition. So keep on watching. So first of all, we're going to be doing the oil. This is the jar we're using for this recipe, and I'm going to be using my oil for this is avocado oil. If you have coconut oil, grapeseed oil, any oil you have in your house is going to be good for this recipe. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of moringa to this. Then I'm going to be adding 1 cup of avocado oil. My measuring cup here is half cup, so I'm going to use 2 of these to give us 1 cup. So I'm going to leave this to cool for over like 12 hours, and after 12 hours our oil is ready. You can do the double boiler method if you don't have the patience to wait. Just put this in the hot water and allow that to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes and you are good. Your oil is ready. I'm going to be adding the benefit in the cream farm. So I'm going to leave this to cool, and after 12 hours I will show you all what our oil looks like. So our oil is ready, and this is what it looks like. So here we are making the butter. I'm using shea butter for this. If you have cocoa butter, you can use cocoa butter. I'm using shea butter for this recipe. So I added 1 teaspoon of shea butter, and I'm going to be adding like 5 teaspoons of moringa oil, and I'm going to melt this. After melting this, I'll keep this in the fridge to cool for 1 hour, and this is what it looks like after 1 hour. Then I will mix this together to make it really soft and fluffy. When it's soft and fluffy, your oil is ready. Then we'll transfer this into a container, and you can use this to moisturize your hair. If you're having dry hair, you can use it to moisturize your hair. You can use it to stay in moisture after your wash day, and your hair and your coils will be popping back. So here we are going to do the deep condition. I'm using flaxseed, and I just blended my flaxseed, and I will strain this just to get the flaxseed juice. And after getting the flaxseed juice, I will mix my moringa to this, and after mixing it, I will add my oils, and which helps to promote hair growth, as I said earlier on. And this is going to help you soften your hair. If your hair is really dry and frizzy, this is going to help you soften it. Flaxseed is a good way of promoting hair growth again, and it's really adds shines to your hair. It strengthens your hair, which moringa does the same thing. Moringa treats alopecia. It's a rich source of biotin. So fam, this recipe is really good for you. If you're suffering from alopecia, this recipe is good for you. If you have bald edges, this recipe is for you. If you have thin edges, this recipe is for you. If you just want your hair to be popping, this recipe is for you. This recipe is for everybody, in fact. Oh my god. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So this is what the So if I'm going to add all this moringa to this deep condition, and I'll mix those, then I'll add some oils to it. As I said earlier on, if you're suffering from dry hair, if you're having dry hair, your hair is frizzed out, this is going to help you to regain back your hair, to get moisture back into your hair. All right, so I am going to add some oils to this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've watched to this point, thank you very much. I really appreciate your love and your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and don't forget on your notification. So fam, my video, my YouTube is all about DIY for natural hair to motherhood and vlog. If this is what you're interested in, kindly stay tuned. So our deep condition is ready, and this is what my hair is looking like before I apply this on my hair. And after I apply this, I will just use a plastic bag and cover my hair and leave it to set. And after that, you just rinse it out and use your condition to condition your hair, and you can seal in with the moringa oil and butter, and your hair will be looking so nice and cute. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now. Bye guys. Love, kisses, goodbye. Bye bye.